Hello everyone, my name is Hassan. I am coming. This video is currently about problem of Bangladesh. What is happening in Bangladesh? I want to tell the whole country. I believe that everyone watching this video because 2024 still now Bangladesh is more problem. This year also what is problem, what is happening, and I explain this situation this video. So I request everyone watching this video and just I telling something shortly. Thank you everyone. First of all, there are two biggest political parties in Bangladesh, but the political style of Bangladesh very different, not same other countries. Bangladesh political style is very different, and this is the problem. First of all, this is the biggest shame for helpless people of Bangladesh. Now the people of Bangladesh are very aware. Every people of Bangladesh want a new government. This is the problem, is old government. This old government prime minister is now Sheikh Hasina. This is the problem. No Awami League, no BNP. This is the two parties, two dol political Bangladesh. This is big political parties in Bangladesh, Awami League and BNP. For that reason, the movement against Awami League government is the student parties in our country. Many students were killed and disappeared in the movement. Finally, the student won in Bangladesh. Then all the leaders of the Awami League government have fled. This is very shame, very bad for Bangladesh, because Awami League 15 years lead in Bangladesh, and Awami League Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina 15 years direction of Bangladesh. But very shame is the Bangladesh every people not love her. Why? Where is the problem? Even after ruling the country 15 years, they didn't getting the love of the people. Finally, student is on. Then Dr. Yunus is Bangladesh Prime Minister now. He is an extraordinary man for Bangladesh. I always respect, and every people was respected. We hope that he gives us super new Bangladesh. This is not my feelings. This is the also Bangladesh every people feelings. Every people is respected Dr. Yunus. He is also a nicely man, beautiful man. Already he is 84 years old, but now he is strong, and Bangladesh Prime Minister, he will be make every people for law the same, and every people is same respected other people. Now I tell something very bad news for Bangladesh. Suddenly there is a flood in Bangladesh. This flood, more people is died, more house this water wash away. And Bangladesh not wall city. This 4-5 cities more problem now, this flood. So now Bangladesh is, we are no, and I think other countries not now understand that Bangladesh is very small country, but more people is stay there. And Bangladesh 15 million people is working other countries. So I think also, and we are agree with me and pray for Bangladesh and help Bangladesh. Thank you very much. Good day everyone. Allah Hafiz.